How to call from Go High Level. So you're gonna have to go to account drop down on the top right menu and click on sub accounts. If there are too many sub accounts inside Twilio, you can go back to high level and copy the account CIN for the location to search in Twilio. After that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click into the sub account, so you'll see there's an orange text on the top left. And then you're gonna have to go and click on explore products and then scroll down to click on phone numbers. After that, you're gonna have to click on it and then click on regulatory compliance and then add bundles and addresses. After that, what you're gonna have to do, so you're gonna have to simply choose your number type and select mobile, and then here you're gonna have to add your addresses, and that's it. So basically now when you select a contact in Go High Level, you can call them. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.